Hi, I'm Rodney Copperbottom, and the evil rat Phineas T. Ratchet. Yeah, that's me. Um, I have a lot of my enemies. I have a lot of my armies. Or you have There are 8 main bosses: Commando Man, Horde Man, Wave Man, Magma Dragoon, Search Man, Magna Centipede, Blade Man, and Crystal Snail. Yup. Well, I have to begin with Crystal Snail. Yeah, I'm actually gonna begin with Commando Man. Galaxy 1, Level 1. Ding, 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 ding. Scorpions. Enemies are everywhere. Mini bosses. Level 2. Wow, Rodney, you're so cool. Thank you. Sorry, no, not that. Now let's use the. Is it against? Level 3. More enemies on our way and on my way are waiting for us. Alright, level 3. My arm cannon is so powerful. Oh, sorry. Sorry for the noise out there, but. Scorpions again.